Okay, so you watched part one, how to disassemble your Xbox One controller. As you can tell, we got it nice and disassembled here. And then I made a part two on how to sand your controller so you could paint it like this. But it didn't turn out too well. That one did. You can probably see the imperfections on it. But I mean, other than that, it's pretty good. You look at this, you can really see. Because I had to sand it because you can see the nice little ridges right in here. Yeah, but oh well. I wanted to repaint it, but I was gonna use this this nice little paint right here, Ford paint. So now I'm gonna show you how to reassemble all this fun stuff. So let's get right into that. All right. So first thing, you're gonna need your Torx 8. As you can see, it's a Torx. If I can get her to focus here. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. It's a nice little star. You know, because back in preschool, you used to get a star for being a good kid. Come on, focus. Alright. So, what you're going to do, put these little vibrating thingers back in the little thingy-majangers that they go in, whatever, the slot, sure, let's call them that. Alright. And you should get this. Now, we're going to, I think we put the front cover back on. If it goes, it's not going. Okay, so I'm dumb. You gotta put the back on first. This back is not pretty at all. Does that look right? Yeah, look at that. The holes line up. Okay, so now you want to grab your screw. Oh, fuck, son of a bitch. Hold on. There we go. Okay, take two. Grab your screw and just put it in there, little slot hole, and get a nice little focus on that. Alright, then you want to grab your little Torx 8, see if we can get some good action here. Come on. Oh shit, come on. You guys see this hot action going on right now? There we go. Look at that. Wait, is it even, it's not even screwing down, is it? Son of a My apologies. You have to have this front cover on because you can see the screws go in there. And that's what holds us back on. So, we're going to have to do... What we're going to have to do, gently put I'm in to finesse it a little. So now, grab your screw and you're going to see how it's got nice, you know, where you put the screw. It's got 3 little inserts. So, you're just going to do that. Drop the screw in there. Bam. Okay, now if I can do this with one hand. Okay. Alright. Alright. Now, the hard part is filling and trying to... Okay, this is okay. I went ahead and got that one on since it got caught in this little magnet right here that your trigger guard goes on. Or trigger, whatever. But, yeah. So, then all you gotta do is you will have one in the center. It's a hidden one, if you guys remember. You will have 2 on the edges, which I don't know what happened to my third one, but I only got 2. So, I'm just gonna do the edges so you don't get that rebound there. And I think the middle will be fine, you know. So, just grab your screw, gently finesse it into this hole down here. It's a little tricky. Come on, just yeah, okay. It's standing up in there, but yeah, that's all you gotta do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those 2 in, and then I'll be right back. All right. That's all. Yeah, don't mind this. This is all sanded. It needed to be painted because I screwed up on some spots, but this is just, it's plastic. You need like, I don't know, just some really fine sandpaper, and you can fix all that. You know, this is what it started out as, and I wanted it to become this color. So, yeah, that's that. Now, you guys have probably noticed I missed the what do you call that? The battery negative positive little tray, I'd call it. I missed that because I lost it. So it's fine though. I'll probably be taking this controller back apart. So, next step, I will show you how to put these on. So you just line it up. and then you just click down on it, and it literally just pops in place. Now, you can see how beautiful this controller would have turned out, but imperfections like there. I know there are some imperfections down here. Another one up in here, but it would have turned out really good. This was going to be a decent series, which I might finish it. Okay, now the other side, just want to grab it in the middle like this and push down. You'll hear it snap, and make sure you run along the corners. Make sure you don't forget anything. Now grab your final piece and just bam, you're done. Now obviously this controller would have been really pretty. It's really dull over here, but this controller would have been really pretty if I finished it, but I will. And bam, you have yourself an Xbox One controller put back together. What the fuck? What? Okay, I'm not an expert by any means, but alright. There's two little clips down here that need to slide underneath this, and it won't cause your buttons to be underneath this, alright? Or non-impressible, I guess. Holy shit, this is bad. This is bad. Alright, well, that was my take at trying to put an Xbox One controller back together. I'm no professional in any means, but I'm just your average guy, so if I can do it, surely you can do it.